Hi class, this is Jacob Drew, your IST 609 instructor. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the best practice and rules. I don't think it's the rules of norms of the course. In order for a online class to be successful, I think we should have a framework with which we can operate with, and we're all we're all working together toward the same goal. So here are a few things I want to discuss with you. Number one is be consistent. Be consistent means that we all committed to be in this together for 1.5 months, and we need to be consistent to contribute, to share, to learn with each other. A best example of consistency is I learned from another student who is doing online learning. He said for discussions of a topic, he set up a time during that week at a particular time of the day. He will do that assignment, and this is consistent. And also, I want you to be consistent in many ways. For example, you don't want to contribute much in 1 week and lag in another week. Consistent means consistency, Also be respectful. We'll respect you, and hopefully you can respect us and each other, and we do things the right way, and we do things according to the conventions. If we want to be respected in a physical place, we want to expect the same behavior in certain ways. If somebody wants to be respected in physical world in certain ways, we should act in the same way that we show our respect, or to be to our expectation won't change here as far as respectful goes. And also be diligent. And Sam and I have worked hard to get the content ready for the first week, and hopefully you do the same. And only that way we can all learn. Otherwise, like I said, one of the when I talk about my philosophy, learning is between actually yourself and the environment in which you are interacting with, the books and the groups and the projects. Everything, every aspect is important. So be diligent with that, and be resourceful. Be resourceful means that we not only learn on our own, learn from others, but also contribute to the group learning. And because we have group projects, you need to contribute and be resourceful to other people. If somebody needs help, go help. In the discussion section of the Blackboard, we have a forum set up for that learning purposes, okay, for information purposes. In that way, we can be consumers as well as contributors. And also, it is very vital and important to visit the Blackboard on a daily basis. If you cannot do multiple times, you should do multiple times if you need to. And then if you need to email the instructor, which is Sam and I want you to please email both us together. Okay, you can call us Sam and Jake, and especially if it's a great related communications. If it's something you really want to talk to us individually, you are definitely welcome to do that. With that, I just want to say one more thing before I conclude. A lot of the times, teaching is driven by content. For example, we choose a specific book. We go strictly with that book, and chapter by chapter, book, page by page. We decided not to do that in this class, as not for a couple of reasons. Number one, it's an online class, and we choose 3 books, and we only have a week, and it's really it's a short period. Our class only runs like 5 weeks. It's really hard to go cover page by page and go into very details, ask you to remember things. But that doesn't mean our learning should suffer. And I want you to read all the 3 books and our lecture notes and posts. so that we can all be on the same page when we talk, you know what we refer to. So that a lot of the exercise will require you to pull information from a lot of resources to put together. Therefore, you can learn in a very rich way. In this sense, I'm thinking we're goal-driven rather than content-driven. Our goal is to achieve what we want you to achieve, which are the 2 questions I posted over there in the syllabus. Number 1 is I want you to understand IT strategies and how to go about creating a strategy if you're IT or not an IT person. And you can help so that you can not only need IT innovation, you can help your company to achieve an innovation by helping companies to use an IT. If you have a good CIO like Sam, you're lucky. But if you don't, then they have you. That's what I want you to achieve. So in this sense, we're driven by reaching their goal so that the content becomes less important. Read as much as you can, read as in-depth as you can, so that you can create a good strategy on that. I hope this helps. Again, this is Jake Drew. See you next time. Thank you.